Alright guys, so welcome to today's special video. So today I want to reveal to you a very simple method, a very powerful method, an underground method can use, to actually make at least $100 per day. Yes, this is a simple method released by my friend Cynthia Benitez, which is a commission seeker. So I'm going to just go a review. Actually got access to the product, so I've gotten access to the product. So I'm going to walk you through everything it's all about. So if you want a new system, a new way, very unique way that a lot of people do not actually give concern about, so you can actually use this method and make some profit online every single day. So watch me now. In the next few minutes I'm going to go through everything, and I want you to pick it up because I have some special big amazing bonus for you inside once you pick up commission seeker. That's going to help you to make at least $100 every single day. So let me walk you through inside the members area and show you how it works. Alright guys, so now I'm back to show you what commission seeker is all about. It's going to help you, to show you how to make at least $100 in a day with a very powerful method that you have actually known about. You've actually know the platform, but you don't actually know how to use this system. So commission seeker is going to show you how to do this, without, you don't even need a website, you don't need an email list, you don't need to make videos, you don't need an, you don't need all this experience in building websites or creating sales pages. You don't need to send traffic. You don't need, you don't need to create a product. It's a very simple study, and it comes with, a very step-by-step case study training. And this is about this commission seeker. You see, actually I've gone through the course, and it's something that's awesome. It's a brilliant, brilliant idea that Cynthia is actually showing you guys. So I've gone through the course, the welcome, this is the welcome section, welcome page section, but this is where it begins. Yes, your account sets up, and then your yes, this exact method, the contacts, how you begin to work with this with this method is very, in fact, it's very powerful. And the thing is, okay, it's actually on YouTube. Yes, YouTube. It's a very powerful method. It's not about, imagine it's on YouTube, but you don't have to upload videos on YouTube. It's a very powerful method that you can use right on YouTube. And once you begin to use this method, in fact, you're going to make a whole lot of profit with it. Yes, in fact, you might not even need these bonuses, because this method she's revealing to you, that is the commission seeker, is very powerful. That's going to get you results very fast, and you don't have to wait for maybe 14 days, 10 days to get your money. You get paid directly to your PayPal account. Yes, to your PayPal account. So in fact, I never knew this method until I actually watched through the whole video. So I wanted to go ahead, click on the, the link is right under this video in the description section. You see the link to pick up this product, commission seeker. So go ahead, pick it up, and then check it out. It's something that's going to work for you. In fact, I recommend it. I 100% recommend it. And in fact, and if you go ahead to pick up, I think Auto 2, yes, Auto 2 is, in fact, she reviewed some secrets inside the Auto 2. And one thing is, if you have questions, you need help, you can always contact her right out via email, and you get feedback. So go ahead and buy this with confidence. It's a product that's going to reveal a lot of things to you on how to make, fast, quick money on YouTube. Yes, on YouTube. And remember, I said you're not creating a single product. Yes, you're not creating a video. Yes, you're not creating any video. You don't need to make video using this method. So it's something that is very simple, and you can always repeat this method over and over and over again. Remember, I told you that you can make quick money with it. So just 3 steps. Once you pick up the training, you go ahead and watch the videos right here. You watch these videos. You just 10 videos, watch them, and they are not long videos. They are very short videos that it's straight to the point, and it's going to get you results. So just go ahead. It's just I think it's $10 or so. Let me see. It's just less than $10. So just pick it up, and then you will discover this powerful method. And it comes with some bonuses, as I've showed you inside the members area. There are bonuses inside here to even help you to diversify and make more money. But this will actually help you. Commission seeker is going to show you, a very unique method, on the method that in fact people don't actually use it, but you can use it and make a lot of money fast, in fact quick money with it. So go ahead, it's very interesting. This is my account, this is my members area. I've gone through everything, and it's very powerful. In fact, the methods she reviewed, everything, how you do it, it's well explained. So go ahead, try it and use it. Even if you don't have a YouTube account, you don't need to start doing different kind of things there. If you have not even uploaded a video on YouTube before, you don't need video, you don't need to upload video. Just the method she has reviewed inside there is very powerful and it's going to work for you. So go ahead and click on it. There's a link in the description section. Click on the link, and it's going to bring you to this sales page where you'll be able to pick up the commission seeker. So it's just less than $10. Go ahead, pick it up, and once you pick it up, I have a special bonus for you: how to run YouTube, how to get Google Ads, Google AdWords, funded your Google. I'm going to show you how to get a funded Google AdWords account up to $300. Yes, up to $300. So if you want to build a list, you want to sell a product, different things, if you pick up commission seeker, I'm going to show you how to get Google AdWords accounts with $300 already funded inside it. So go ahead and pick up commission seeker. Once you pick it up, just reach out to me, message me, and then I'm going to send you details on how to get my own extra super amazing bonus, which you will never find anywhere. So go ahead and pick up commission seeker, and then enjoy and make massive profit with it. Thank you, and bye bye.